So this is the Mixel demo board for the M-PHY. Um, the big board is the FPGA off-the-shelf board. The daughter card is the Mixel daughter card with the Mixel M-PHY. It has two transmitters and two receivers, and it supports both Type 1, Type 2, high-speed gear 1 and 2, A and B. And then we are, this is a joint demo with LeCroy. So Chris is going to tell us a little bit about what we are doing on the on the BERT and the scope.
All right, so right now we have the Mixel MIPI connected to the LeCroy PERT, which is a M-PHY signal generator and receiver tester. And so it's producing the differential data from the PERT to the Mixel receiver, and also a reference clock. And the signal we have the ability to add jitter to that signal to produce a receiver tolerance test, where we would take the transmit, we would put the Mixel device into loopback, and then compare the data that's transmitted back to the PERT to what we transmit, and see how much jitter the device can tolerate before, while still able to loop back the correct data. So we also have a different setup here where the data that the PERT transmits is then sent to the oscilloscope to do all of the transmitter measurements.
So maybe I can just interject here that the data goes to the receiver, obviously, to the CDR deserializer, then the parallel data is looped back to the parallel input, then it goes to the serializer, the transmitter, and then goes back to the BERT and the scope. Sorry about the interjection, Chris.
Yep. So, so the scope has pre-programmed all the CTS compliance tests for M-PHY. So you tell it what gear you're testing, and it provides all the measurements. Like right here, we're showing the accumulated I, which measures jitter, and then also the rise time. So yeah, so it's a complete end-to-end compliance test suite for M-PHY.
Great, thanks, Chris.